Is there a man in your life that you just wish would love you? Hi, I'm Amy Waterman, a dating and relationship expert with yourbrilliance.com. And in this video series, I give you the short answer to love's biggest questions. So, how can I make him love me? Well, the short answer is to treat yourself the way you wish he would treat you. Now, if that seems backwards to you, let me explain. So, one of the reasons that relationships mean so much to us is because we want someone to treat us like we're special. We matter. We're first and foremost in their life. I don't have to tell you how amazing that feels. So, when a man won't give you that, it hurts. It feels like you're not special to him. You don't matter. So you decide that it's your job to convince him to love you. If only you show him the life he could have with you by his side, you'll be convinced. He'll love you back, and you'll finally get that feeling that you've been craving. Well, it doesn't work that way. And you know this. Has a man ever managed to convince you to fall in love with him by showing you how good you'll have it with him by your side? Well, probably not. Love doesn't really respond to reason. Love is more like a seed that blooms when nurtured with affection and connection. So, nurture the seeds of love with your guy by showing him affection and strengthening your connection. And while you're waiting to see if love blooms, give yourself everything that you want from him. Shower yourself with enormous amounts of attention and affection. Buy yourself something nice. Celebrate yourself with a treat. Don't wait for him to give you the love you crave. I mean, he's just a guy, but you're the one you'll be with for a lifetime. You may just find that that feeling that you've been longing for so much, the one that you thought you could only get from him, is starting to bloom from inside you.